What if you could potentially make an extra $3,000 to $5,000 every single month from your phone? No telling your kids, no, I can't afford it. No more panic when the bills come in. Look, Heather, the creator of PTP Elite, is no fake guru. She's a former teacher with 11 years experience and a multi-seven-figure earner in the digital marketing space. And many of her students are seeing incredible progress using the simple digital marketing framework. Okay, so you've got Heather here that has made 50,000. You've got Ashley that's made 15,500 after 11 failed courses. What they are selling is digital products and building multiple streams of income. And even when they sleep, the best part is students say they were able to make money in their sleep and have even paid off the program cost within the first month. You're probably stuck in the cycle right now. I know I was up at 6 a.m. working 8 to 10 hours, coming home dead tired with barely enough to make rent. I personally moved a lot over the years, and after paying your bills, you're left with nothing. Hell, I couldn't even make my bills, paid in full. So what I love about this is that this mentor does not disappear after payments. Heather will personally mentor you because that's what she teaches inside the program, right? And she will also teach multiple streams of income, multiple ways to start earning from your phone. You could resell PTP Elite for 80% commission, do UGC, TikTok shop, print on demand, and learn how to create your own products. People, I'm going to be diving into UGC myself. These are all beginner-friendly methods that you can do during your lunch break or even when your kids go to bed. Bottom line, this is built for everyday people, especially 9-to-5ers who want to build consistent online income streams. And if you keep watching, I'll show you what's possible. So let's talk about the process. What does it look like when you go through PTP Elite? It takes you about 2 days to complete the whole program. You pick one income stream and start using the step-by-step framework that is taught inside there. This is how Dave was able to reach $285,000 in 8 months. He has no special skill or no big following. He just followed the system and stayed consistent. The difference isn't the person, right? It's finally having something that actually works. And I know what you're thinking, right? You've heard this a million times before. And I get you. Well, here's why PTP Elite is completely different. So most courses drown you in the content that keeps you stuck. PTP Elite, like I said, can be completed in just 2 days. Those mentors that disappear and ghost you, she sticks with you. Heather teaches you, she mentors you, she answers your questions. Other program costs thousands after all the upsales, but PTP Elite, people, is just $397. No upsales, no heated fees, mentorship included, all future updates, everything is included. So if you're tired of telling your kids we can't afford it and you're looking for a real teacher who won't hype you up and then disappear, then take action. When this video ends, you will still wait while others are taking action. I sat on Heather's live for days before I started. So you've got 2 options. You keep doing what you're doing right now in hope that something's going to change, or you take the small step towards financial freedom. And when you finally get a system that supports you and works for you, PTP, people, is just $397 including mentorship. So stop hesitating, start building, and take action today.